The inline editing feature in Salesforce is a productivity feature that allows Salesforce admins, sales reps, support teams to edit records directly from a list view without going into objects per record, right? So you can do bulk update and bulk editing a singular field that is displayed on a list view without going into the records each or one after the other. So let me show you how to enable inline editing in case it's not enabled currently in your org. Let's go over to the opportunity object. I think for my org is already enabled, and yes, this is why you can see the pen like icon here. So I can just come here and edit this opportunity name, erase it, and then select probably an existing opportunity if there is any that I want to re-update this record with. Now you can enable this by going to the back end by clicking on your setup, right? So when you go directly to your setup, you are going to go to your quick find from your home page, which is here, and then search for user interface. And this is if the inline editing hasn't been enabled for your organization, right? So when you type, or let me type it in full, user interface, you're going to find that feature here. And I don't mean the user interface that has the action links templates and app menu. What I need is the user interface that is under the translation workbench feature. So you select the user interface and go into the settings, and then you can find the two settings that you need to check then to be able to enhance or enable your inline editing. One is the enable inline editing, and then second is enable enhanced list. So when you check these two boxes and then you save, right, you can come to the front end, refresh your page, and then you will be able to edit your records directly from your list view. And also in this video, I'm still going to show you how to edit or enable inline editing if it hasn't been enabled for your report. So let's go over to the report. From more, I'm going to find my reports here, and then I will just open up a report created by me. I'm going to go over the list views and open a report. I don't know if it's enabled here. So yes, it's already enabled here. So this button that says enable field editing is existing here because I've enabled it from the back end. So I can just change an account name from here, or billing, or customer channel, or type. Whatever field you want to edit from this report, you can edit it directly without going into the report. So for you to be able to see this button in a case where you are not seeing this button in your org, you're going to go to setup from here again and open up your setup. And then the next thing you're going to do is to go to your dashboard settings from your back end, or from your quick find dashboard. So I'm going to the dashboard, reports and dashboard settings, and when I click this and you scroll down, not really scrolling down, you are going to see that I have already checked this enable inline editing in reports, and it's strictly for lightning experience only. So if you are still using the classic layout of Salesforce, I'm sorry, but you have to update your Salesforce to the lightning record pages for you to be able to use this feature in your report. So this is all it takes for you to enable the inline editing, and then you see your enable field editing button active on your reports. So this is the entirety of the inline editing feature, how to set it up for admin and how to set it up for the sales team or finance team, or probably the stakeholders that are looking into KPI reports, revenue forecasting reports, and whatever you have. So If you like my video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and come back for more tutorials. Thank you.